Okay, we have a Haas horizontal machining center model EC-400, serial number 2054250. This machine was new in 2013 and we're going to run it for you. Machine has a 400 millimeter or 15 3/4 by 15 3/4 inch pallet. There's two of them. It has a Haas CNC control with expanded memory, high-speed machining, rigid tapping, quick code, macros, M19 spindle orient, rotation and scaling. Also, this machine has whips with the RENISHAW probe. Running right now at 3,000 RPM. It goes up to 12,000 RPM and it is a Cat 40 spindle. The machine has the larger tool change capacity of 70 tools. 6,000 RPM, very, very quiet. Going up. That's 9,000 RPM. Okay. We're going to do a tool change. Again, it's a 70 ATC. Great. Your travels are 20 inches in the X, 20 inches in the Y, 20 in the Z. You have a 1 degree programmable index. And we're going to do a pallet change. We'll try it one more time. Okay. Jogging the axes. All right. Rotating the pallet. Bringing the head down. Your Y and your X. All axes are quiet, weight covers are all intact. Ball screw covers are intact. Hey, I think you've seen it. Thank you. Oh, by the way, the machine also has through spindle coolant. All right, hey, thank you for watching our video.